Rocket Money versus Truebill. Make the right decision. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which financial management app is better among Rocket Money and Truebill. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Rocket Money. Rocket Money tracks expenses automatically, providing a clear overview of spending. Helps negotiate bills for lower rates, saving users money. Identifies and manages subscriptions, helping to avoid unwanted charges. Provides tools to create and manage budgets effectively. Features an intuitive and easy to use interface, while it charges for some premium features and services. Focuses primarily on expense tracking and budgeting with fewer investment tools. Some users report difficulties linking certain bank accounts. Now, let's come towards Truebill. Truebill automatically tracks expenses and categorizes them. Offers bill negotiation services to lower bills. Helps manage and cancel unwanted subscriptions. Includes tools to help users create and stick to budgets. Easy to navigate and use. Charges for premium features and services. Primarily focuses on budgeting and expense tracking with fewer investment options. Some users experience problems syncing accounts. Choosing between Rocket Money and Truebill in 2024 depends on your specific financial management needs. Rocket Money excels in providing a comprehensive expense tracking and budgeting tool with bill negotiation and subscription management features. Truebill also offers robust expense tracking, bill negotiation, and subscription management but has similar limitations. Consider your need for premium features and ease of account linking to determine which app aligns best with your financial goals. That's all for this video.